made was, you're trading commodities. They're a whole different ball game. They're not as tied to the S&P as most stocks generally are. So I rushed out of my good long in the SPY, and then what happens to LPI and MTDR? This one, it fails to hold on to the gains. I get out of this one for a loss a couple days later. MTDR failed breakout, same thing. So and then I had such a vicious P&L swing. That was on a Friday. I come in Monday, trading a bit on tilt. This is the mistake that told me to put my foot off the gas. And I just got super, super long this Tesla right off the open. It triggered the area we were looking for to trigger, 937 to 940 area on super high volume, and then it just faded the whole move. So I had too big of a position in all of those trades, and it made me handle them very poorly. And the P&L swing was huge. So I was in my head a little bit about my executions, what I should have done, what I shouldn't have done. So since I made those like 4 mistakes, I feel back to back. I haven't really traded since. I need to wait for, until I have really high conviction in a trade to, really put some size on back anything. I think the market's very random right now, which is making everything very difficult. So, I just have my foot off the gas. I'm back to, mostly cash, probably 90-95% cash at this point. So, my foot's off the gas. I was doing really well up until the beginning of February, handling the market very well, trading the back and forth, going long, going short. And then I compounded these mistakes, trying to make my money in a very short time because I feel, the market's very difficult. You're not going to have many shots. So I took a few big shots back to back. They did not work out. So that's telling me it's time to take my foot off the gas till I have that conviction again. So, took a few hits, took a few red days. It's all right. We'll be back. I got to wait for my setups to come back. They always come back. It might not be for, a few weeks or so, but right now I'm just playing the waiting game after, I made those mistakes. So, market's handing out endless lessons. I got a nice little lesson.